আজি samla सबसे pula khoboti Ausendin Sumi Hoho SKK aro AKM Khan Dimapur meeting rakhina recently advisor of school education ke khilhole yume laga statement oporte taike lukrubona next course of action uthabo itu agenda oporte dangor meeting rakhilo shikogina khobor pailo ase discussion dangor rakhilo apchiti house khan to offer decline kurbole kotha kurlogina joint press statement ti advisor K Yometu ta laga statement oporte clearly clarification interest of public safety karni explain kudigina statement karni Twitter communities khan ki apology mangbole lake koi dia ase aro AKM SKK khan tu advisor laga statement oporte resentment and anger logina advisor aro government khan ke dekhabo karni duste din bra logina indefinite shutdown of government institution offices aro school college khan sob ban kurbole decision gadam uthai loise ko ase indefinite shutdown toli nkukchun aro zneboto jurisdiction under school college government offices aro institution khan sob ban thakibo holipi examination center medical service fire and emergency police aro administration khan tu exempted thakibo kogina jonai thakya pailu ase aji kali mota khan brahi hoshel kugina thagibole laki thakya tuli Odisha state Kandamal district ti jarati 60 years makibra gor laga chamla karni nijor laga mota 63 years murai dishe kogina report aha ase sources te disease toli Nitra Manshi 63 years aro murai dia accused maki Subanti Manshi 60 years identify kuri dia ase aro police khan la report ti jarati gor laga chamla karni hamla ulai jagina makibra nijor la mota upur continuously hat uthai digina spot te murai di sheko ase itu khobor pa hisab te police khan spot punchatam ti accused laga mota Nitra laga body recover kur loisha aro accused maki thorgina hatsa upor te detail investigate rakhi di thaka official update dia ase aro aji state of West Bengal ti TMC leader North 24 Parganas district ti mati laga deal issue karni rival group khan bra banduk guli mar digina Bijan Das murai disheko gena khobor pailo ase reported TMC leader Bijan Das tu Gumawan panchayat ti deputy head ekta ase aro party collect laga gor jagina thaka tamti point blank range ti tuita guli mar digina mathate lakija karni giri jagina hospital ponchai dishe ulipi muri jagina anya declare kudishe kogena official report dia ase local cable news reporter Kumar Nongthambam upur arm miscreant khanbra mara mari kugina saman khanpi biya kridia karni journalist of Manipur khan ajimilai gina 2 din strike rakha ase aro ajibra tu press media rukhijabu kugina jonai dia ase report strike toli all Manipur working journalist union aro editor guild Manipur khanbra organize kura ase aro attack ti involved gena thakya khan sob thoribole demand kura ase kili February 23 tarik 37 years reporter to arm miscan khanbra ta laga rented gor Imphal East te ahina mara mari kura chiti room phitote jui dal digena camera aro laptop khan pisop phangai dise ko ase hatsa upote ajitak individual group kumrapi responsible claim kura nai aro police khan case registered kugena investigation ja thaka upoti journalist union khan to press freedom and democracy violate hoja karni action lobole demand kura ase aro authorities khan to safety and security of journalist assured kuri dibole claim kuri ase khobor esabti Delhi Chief Minister Arvind to Enforcement Directorate ED Khanbra Delhi Excise Policy Scheme link thakya karni allegation opoti aji milagina 7 times summon karni mati thakya skip ku dishe ko ase aro itia agency khan tu court laga order rukhibo lakibo kogena Am Admi Party khan statement kri dia ase report ke Am Admi top leader Delhi Chief Minister Arvind to Enforcement Directorate Khanbra money laundering cases karni repeatedly summoned kuri aha opoti skip kurigena ahi jaisha aro ja hafta 7 times questioning karni mati aha tu sob illegal ase kogena ajipi skip kudishe itu karni ED agency khan tu court order rukhibole lakibo kogena AAP party khan awas uthai dia ase